Alrighty, another day. Yesterday I was working on the Hashmap implementation, and I'm pretty much done. The only thing I forgot to do is I forgot to test that. Um, say um, you try to edit a key that already, or you try to add a key that already exists. It'll instead update it. So I have to test that. But other than that, I should be good. Add elements. Move. Let's just put in here. So if we try to add v2, but with the actually, yeah, that's fine. B4, and this should be B4, and this should be B4, right? And then here we do B4 with the key of B4. Oh, no. This key should be B, let's just do B1. And B1 should now have the value of B4. So if we go here, and then Hashmap, so it'll be we'll do source, and then what's in source? Hashmap.c, and then I'll need the boarding pass, and then I'll need the hash table, and then for the test we'll do remove test with all warnings. Alright, so we should be printing 2 times. Oh no, we should add another one here. Wait, B1 is what I got rid of. Oh, my dumbass. Yeah, we should update B2. So this should be that. And then this should be B2 updated. Let's try that again. All right, so B1 through B3, we have B3, B2, and B1, and then remove 1, and we have B3 and B2, and then we get cycle. All right, what's the issue? Let's break at 20. Oh, I see. I didn't do the G flag. Okay, so it's in that add element, so it's probably an update. Yeah, so we tried to update it and then it failed. So let's delete that. And then let's break at update value, hash table, run. So we tried to string compare the keys and the keyword given. Okay. So if we run it again, and then let's print, see if we can print table keys at the ith index. So it is null. Oh, you can't string compare, duh. You can't string compare null. So for hash table, update hash table, if table keys at the ith index is null, oops, then we just continue. Then we check again, hey, is this the value we're looking for? If yes, then we should break out of this. We don't need to keep going through the loop. All right, now it should work. Bam. V2 has been updated to B4. Bam. Awesome. And then we shouldn't have B1 because we deleted it. Awesome. All right. So now that I know that that's working, we need to go through the annoying process of making sure, because I didn't link them. I really should have linked them, but I need to make sure that both the hash tables are the same. So I don't, yeah, in this one we don't have update, right? I do. Why is this one so much different? Did I do this twice? Alright, so which one's better is the question. So yeah, the no collisions. Whoa, why do we... While this does not equal null. But if it equals null... Yeah, no, this ain't gonna work. Because... Yeah, it's totally possible for it to equal null. Because that just means there's nothing there. But we need to keep going in that instance. Yeah. Let's get rid of this. And we can just do it this way. Alright. Free is the same. Copy is the same. Then rehash is a big one. I delete these. Oh, I probably updated the one not right. Or maybe I made both of them the same. Passes. Okay, this has been updated too. Then key exists, that shouldn't have been changed. Create hash table, this also shouldn't have been changed. Then ASCII. Yeah, hash key is also gonna be the same. Add value should be the same as well. Okay. Then remove. Okay, that looks the same as well. Find. Okay. All right. So they should be the same. And then both of these should have update in them. This one does not. Does this one? Oh, wait. Hash table. This one does. Ooh. All right, cool. So we have that. And then I think that's it. All right, so this is. Yeah, so let me update that real quick. All right, so now I should be able to just take that over to git-stats. So for git-stats, we want to put that in source in Hashmap. So I won't need hash table anymore. All right, let's clean up some of this. Oh, git-stats. And then source, we can remove ref. And then we can also remove hash table. And then let's make a directory called Hashmap. And then let's move not move. Copy recursively Hashmap to git-stats source hash. Actually. Because it'll take the folder with it, I think. And we go git-stats and then source. And that should be it, right? Cool. All right, so now that we have that, we can go ahead and start implementing it into the plugin itself. All right, so we need to have the stats. Shit, you know what I forgot? To free it. I have to be able to free it. Oops. Hashmap. I already have free for the hash table. I just need to do it in yeah. All right, so freeing it is really easy. It's just going to be void free hashmap, and then free hashmap. we're gonna free the Hashmap. That's gonna be void too. Oh no, that's not gonna be void. Duh. This is going to be a pointer to a hash map, right? And then we're just gonna say, so we're gonna free hash table, and this is gonna be the address of map, or no, map table, right? And then we're going to free map itself. Actually, let me see this. Okay, so we do the value. Okay, and then we set map equal to null. Cool. There's a pointer needs to equal null. No. All right. So that's that. And then let's test it real quick. Back to this. And then we're going to go to, no, I need to put it in here. All right, so let's go to BeeLib, and then we go to Hashmap, and then to test, and then we're going to copy one of these. Let's just copy and remove test, and then we're going to copy it to free test.c. And then all the way at the end, we're going to free the hash map. Address hash map. And then we're going to try to print the hash map to make sure that it worked. And then, actually, now that we can free it, let's do null checkers. Okay. And then lastly, if map equals null, then return, or no, printf. D. And then standard IO for printing. And then, yeah, I think that's good. Oh, wait, this has to be else because it's a void. We didn't return anything. Okay, so now it should work. Let's test it real quick. I should still have the thingy knocker in here. Yep. Oh, wait. This is going to be different. This is going to be, what I name it? Free test. And then empty. Cool. All right. Let's push again. Get status. All right. So now that that's done. So now I'll go back here. Oh, I need to copy it over again. Why don't we just... I don't know, because I'd have to link every single file, and that's fucking annoying. Yeah. Copy recursively Hashmap. Let's remove Hashmap. And then we're gonna put it in git-stats source, and then it should be there. Cool. Okay, so now we can start. And then let's get another one of these up so I can see my to-do. Do things in order. All right, so what did I want to do? So those are the overalls. Update value in hash table, did that. Split this up into each part and call from the source file. Yep. Decide if I want hash table or hash map. I went with hash map. Put two hash tables inside of the data structure. Create handlers. We interface with both. Okay, so let's start by doing the creation and deletion of them. So like this, bro. Source, I see. Okay, so we have create, right? And in here we need to create both the hash maps. So this is the text source. Let me open this in. Because I want to see this. Or no, this. Notice. So we have deleted and added paths. No, because this will be hash map untracked. Oh shit. Data. Okay, what we can do so this is the actual source info, and this is the data that I'm going to hold for myself. So let's hold the tracked and untracked, and then long added and long deleted, right? So, and then let's include, no, this is hash map, include hashmap.h. Bam, now you know where it is. You're welcome. And then so the name, yep. Temp has text source. I guess create source ID. Yeah, so what I need to do here, oh no, I did do info. So git-stats info is, no, that's the source. I need to allocate the data. So so it needs to be info data equals bzalloc size of struct get data. Incompatible integer to pointer conversion using, what does that mean? Oh, I see. Yeah, I'll leave that as it is. That is also, yeah, I'll leave that as it is. So we have that, and then in this info data, we need to malloc tracked and untracked. So this is going to be create Hashmap. Oops. What did I just do? What the fuck? Interesting. Is it over here? Actually, is it in? Yeah. No, it's not in there. Okay, whatever. Let's do it again then. Yes. Okay, so that's the structure for the data. Info data untracked and then tracked, and then both of these need to be create hash map. Right. Oh, I didn't include it. Include in Hashmap folder. No. This is include hashmap.h. See, I think I could just omit this. Okay. So now we have add and delete. It's just 0. Oh, wait. Data. So now that that's fine. So that is the creation, and then we'll say, oh no. This should be, wait, oh shit. This got deleted too. So, fuck. It's hashmap untracked, hashmap tracked, and then long added, long deleted. Damn, that means I fucked this up. Now added and deleted are fine. Oh, okay, tracked and untracked are fine as well. Okay. Oh, so that also means I need a separate hash map for no, you know what? Tracked does not need to be a hash map. Because all I need to hold for tracked is, yeah, all I need to hold for tracked is the paths. Think. Bro, fuck. I screwed up. Damn. Okay. I'll have to fix that. I totally forgot that that my hash table had been updated for untracked files already. So if I go here, browse source, hash table. Yeah, had untracked files in there. Okay. Yeah, I need this for, I definitely need this. Okay, so let's bring that over. Because that's going to go on the hash map stuff. So what I need. Because that, yeah, that's going to replace, it's going to replace boarding pass. I don't need this either, actually. So we're going to create a file called untrackedfile.c. And then we can copy this raw. Oop. Did not copy? There we go. Okay, and then we go here, include, and then that'll be this. Copy this raw. And be untracked file.h. Right? And then, yeah, that's all I need. I'll have to go through and redo that. Yeah. But for the time being, I do not, well, not for the time being, in general, this is just going to be an array of strings, tracked paths, right? And then we could say, track paths. Let's just make that null for now. Because it's not going to get changed until we have the properties getting added. But for now, what we can do is real quick before how much time do I have? Yeah, I got time actually. I'm cool. I got till 9:30. So when we remove the source, text source, right? So we do all this for be free. Where's their GitHub? There it is. Because I want to see what be free does. Does it free everything for me, or do I need to actually go through and do it? Wait, is this putting me back in the same spot? Yes. Okay. I'm going to assume it's not. So, which means I need to go through. Actually, I should have that up over here. And we got freed ourselves. So we're going to free Hashmap. Info, data, untracked. And what does that need to be? That needs to be a pointer, which means that this needs to be address of this, right? And then after we free that, we need to free all the strings. So for we could also keep int num tracked files just to make it a little bit easier for myself. Right, and then what does it destroy? There it is. So for int I 0 while I is less than data num tracked files I plus plus, then we go through each one and then we'll free each string. So info data num track, or no, not num track files, track paths I, right? So we'll free all that, and then we don't need to free everything else. These are just the two ones that have allocated memory, or that are allocated memory. And then you get rid of those. Okay, so that's destroy. And then, so we do all of that. That's create and destroy. Name is fine. Get width, get height. Defaults. Oh, do I have properties in here? I do. Let me check if this is actually working, because I know it wasn't before. Okay, so we have so we have the properties of the actual text source. Does it work? Yes, it does. All right, awesome. So I don't need to mess with any of that. Text manipulation is already there. The text box shouldn't be here. It's not gonna do anything. So let's see if we can get rid of that. Can we remove properties from a source is the question. Well, actually, okay. Firstly, let's work on getting, actually, I don't need the, so on these don't need, and then on properties, so this is where it's generated, the source properties, yeah. So let's, okay, while I'm here, let's look it up. OBS plugin forum. Nope. OBS plugin documentation. There it is. All right, so in this case, I want to remove properties from module. Source create. What did I do when I edited it? Data set string. Start. Set video, set audios. There is. Oh, would this constitute as a service at that point? Oops. VS underscore data. Set array. Auto select functions, auto select values are optionally used to determine Which value should be used to ensure functionality if the currently set values? An incremented reference to a data object. Oh, wait. So when we do properties, I'm gonna do that so I can see it. OVS data for array erase. Erase the user data for name within the data object. OBS source properties from so we get the properties object from that. So pointers to such. OBS source properties. Uses functions to get the properties of a source or current properties are optionally used to automatically generate. Okay, so how do I just create a one by itself? Can I just say like this? And then add those properties by themselves? Let's make this my runner. Let's build the project. What'd I do? Unused variable. Oh shit. The member name test. Yes, I meant to delete that. Whoa. Unused parameter at 98. What did I fuck up? Oh shoot, yeah. Unused parameter settings. Actually, oh fuck. I should keep that where it was, actually. Did I do it all the way back here? There it is. All right. So let's keep that and then try again. Go unused variable in row 140. Try to get that. Oh, right. Okay. Then has no member test. Oh shit! I left all my testing stuff in here. Let's just keep it like this. I'm not. I already know this is working, so it doesn't really matter. Props was undeclared. Okay, so I do actually need to figure out how to create just an empty one of those. So I need to create property equals to. You know, I cannot spell. Where's the property? Oh, never mind. It's just up here. Actually, matter of fact, yeah. Let's. Hello? Did my shit just crash? What's going on? Okay. So for properties. Okay, OBS underscore properties underscore create. Okay, so now we should be good, theoretically. Yes. Okay, so, oops. And then we boot up another one of these. Yep. And it crashed. Okay. What's the problem here? Symbol table lookup error, undefined symbol, create hash map. Did I not include hash map? Right, hash map. Oh, I know what it is. I didn't link it in the CMake file. Or no, it starts with a, yeah, list. Oh boy. Okay, so target linked libraries, yeah. API. And then here needs to be a bunch of shit. might as well create a new line. So Hashmap include, so it's going to be source slash Hashmap. So I might as well copy this because it's going to be a lot of stuff. Oops. Slash include slash hashmap dot h, and then we're gonna need this too. Oh, you know what? Actually, okay, I'll have to finish this to actually get this to work because I'm gonna need all the stuff from hash table, but I'll leave that as it is right now. I made good progress already. So in the to do, so we replace this actually, let me replace this with one hash map and an array of paths because tracked files only need the paths. Right? But what I now need to do is need to update hash table and hash map to be taking untracked files instead of boarding passes. And then I also need to update the CMake list file to include the hash map library. All right, cool. I think that was a good day if you ask me.